Hey everyone, so we're going to talk really quick about Darebee.com and the expectation for fitness participation for PE class online. So I sent you guys these Google Forms and they're going to be up every day. Your goal is to get at least 3 days per week. I changed it from 5 down to 3. Once you do those 3, that's your participation in phys ed for the week. However, I'm encouraging that you guys do 5 per week. So if you do those 5, I am going to give you a chance to spin a prize wheel and I will post the video on it. So you could win things like answers to test questions. You could win merits. You could win, what was the other one? Oh, red box codes for different movies. So we're going to have some fun with it. Please feel free to play with the site. There's a lot of really cool things on here and I haven't gotten to dive into it yet with you guys. But anyway, when you go to Darebee.com, click on the workout of the day. It's always here to the left and it's got the day. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking about the levels. On yesterday's, which I wish I did for this video, there was a piece over here that had levels written and it had level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is always going to be to basically repeat that set 3 times in a row. Level 2 will be 5, level 3 will be 7. So for this one, everybody's doing level 1. If you want to up it to level 2, this isn't enough for you, okay? Then do it 5 times in a row. 7 for level 3. Follow the steps right here as you guys scroll down the page and boom, that's it. So feel free to explore into this. We will be talking about muscles. So if you guys want to get in on checking some of this stuff out, I strongly suggest it. And difficulty level. So some of these will be for beginners. Some will be a little more advanced. Just do what you can. Okay. All right. Again, have fun. Please stay active. It's going to help so much. All right. Bye guys.